guys, I'm having breakfast. I'm having fried dumpling and cabbage and tea. Guys, Leash is trying the almond drops. Sweet? They're so good. You know, we had like a crocus bag full of almonds and it was only a handful that came out. Most of them weren't good. Almond drops. Guys, so didn't I give you the bag closed? You're giving it to me open? Oh! Yo, I look like... Who do I look like? Leash? Guys, so we're supposed to go to Margaritaville today. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Are we making it? I'm about to leave her. Yeah?
Hey, 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 yeah, party mash up again. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 yeah, party mash up again. Hey, hey, girl them bubbling. Hey, hey, bring all your friend them. Hey, hey, everybody drinking. Hey, hey, who cares what they thinking? Hey, hey, beer facts, beer facts, beer facts, beer facts, beer facts. Everybody singing.
So we're going to Margaritaville. I didn't vlog in the morning because mom took 1 minute to get ready and then me and Leisha couldn't get ready. I don't know what was going on this morning.
I can drip up so.
Drip up like what? Here's mommy. Next year when I come, I want to drive.
Where you go drive?
That is the question.
Why not drive?
You want to drive with me? It's more convenient if I drive. I said it would be more convenient if I drove.
More convenient. I'll go where you want to go.
Yeah, but I don't like the rush thing. I feel like rushed. Okay?
Well, I don't take long to get ready. I mean, someone else at all morning. I want to get ready. I mean, sleep. Me ready. I say sleep. I mean, get up, go get ready before we know. Me let's sleep. Something I can't get me.
I didn't know that you were sleeping. Massages here too. Lish, I want a picture over here. Wow. You just eat. You don't know how to take pictures. Guys, we are at Margaritaville. Let's do this. Is it dark or is your glasses dark?
The picture dark.
Y'all see this glow? I love when I'm in Jamaica. So we are taking pictures. Guys, I'm having kalaloo. Mom's drinking pea soup. And this my food. Alicia is on a diet. Kalaloo's okay, but and you got kalaloo. Maybe she didn't hear me. How's the food, Leisha? Tell them.
Not bad.
Guys, I got a crab cake, but I started eating it. But it's on Snapchat. I'm drinking everybody's drink. Yours is alcohol in it?
No.
Try this, Mom. That is so good. That's nice. What is this, Leash? Order the frozen fruit punch. Oh, that's nice, Leash. Guys, we're in the gift shop. I'm trying to get something for Melissa. Oh, look at these. Yeah. Wow. They have these like woven slippers. Hi, how are you?
Pick your choice, my sister. Good prices.
Good prices?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, special price.
What did she say to you, Lee?
Nothing.
She said you like money too much? Oh?
The gentleman who gives us the best performance will win. You are all the judges out there, not me. You're all the judges.
I want to go closer. Where did Mommy
Now,
go?
gentlemen, we are going to do a
Where's my mom?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Please, where's Mommy?
I can tell you who goes first. All right. I
Where?
give you a little encouragement right now.
Leisha, I want to go closer.
Yeah,
Leisha, no, Leisha.
Scissors, shoot. Stand up, gentlemen, face each other. Shake hands, shake hands. Yes, ma'am. All right, here we go now. We're going to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, so it's a rock, break, scissors. Who gets to go first? All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our first Jamaican dancehall performer right now.
No, you said.
Everybody clap your hands to the beat, clap your hands to the beat. Come on, everybody, go. Go, 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 go. Break it out for me, break it out for me. Say what, say what, say what. You can do it, hey, hey. Whoa, you got fancy moves. Break it out for me. I'm going to share for you. Hey, 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 hey. Hold up. Oh, my Lord. Listen. I'm telling you this time, I stole a few moves. I'm going to be using them upstairs tonight, man. I'm telling you. All right. You ready, my friend? You said he should go first so he can check out the competition. And then he said in his head, oh, yeah, oh, this guy can't do it like me, man. I'm going to break it. I'm going to show him how it's done.
Give me my focus,
right now, all the way from North Dakota. All right, DJ. Yes, man. Uh-huh. Here he goes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I can see. Oh, tequila. He said he only got 2 moves. When you got 2 moves, you gotta use the arms and do one, you know, like, yeah, make 2 come into like 5 different moves. Alright, so which one of these gentlemen gave us the best performance, ladies and gentlemen? That man should receive the loudest applause from you, the judges, the audience. Could it be that this young man right here gets a prize? Make some noise! I saw that move on. I'm gonna get me lots of girls tonight on the floor, man.
Watch out.
Your moves gonna get me girls. Or could it be my friend here from North Dakota? Make some noise! So take it.
That sounds like a tie.
Thank you for give it up for your champion, the Jamaican dancer of the day.
Listen me. You're man.
it looks like for people who have not been here. This is it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Ooh, coconut shrimp. You want a bite?
No.
It's sweet and that's not nice.
Not nice.
No, start the food not ready. Not ready like Freddy. We're about to leave because it's gonna rain. Guys, we're leaving Margaritaville. It's raining. So we left the perfect time. It was nice. It was like, it was cool, but I think it's like Margaritaville is if you're going to like go to the beach, go on the boat rides, or if you just want to, I wouldn't even say go for a quick lunch because the food was not that great. I would have rather gone to the boardwalk. The food at Fireman Lobster Pit, so good. Here was not great. I got kalaloo and the crab cake, and there was like no crab in the crab cake. It was just like all like fillings. And then Leash got the curry chicken and rice and kalaloo. Was not great. Then my mom got the pea soup, and that was actually really good, the pea soup. And then my aunt just got coconut shrimp to go, and I didn't like that either, so wasn't a fan of the food. Anything you want to say, Leash? Leash said hi. So yeah, so now we're gonna go back home because it's raining. If I wanted to do like water activities, I would definitely go, but not for the food. The food's not, and yeah.
We don't give trouble, we give stop. Come on, free up, be yourself. Do your own thing, be your own thing. Listen, man, full clip. Be yourself. No follow haters, them can't stop you. Well, I've got life and things nice. Step in the street, I'm greeted with smiles. There's no time for bad cards now. Free up, be yourself. And the shoes still can't walk like you. Up with that, no bad mind, can't hold it down.
Guys, we are going home, and it's not raining here, but it was raining in Negril. Mom is behind me. Leash's outfit is beating her bad. Look at her. It's too tight. Guys, so we are home. Y'all hear Leisha, Trace, and Skenta? So we are. You like banana though, you might like this. It's so weird. My mom is allergic to pineapple, but I love pineapple. I hate banana, my mom loves banana.
You want that one?
I don't like Leisha, vlog for me, please. Leisha, please, I'll give you money. I will. Is it vlogging? Yeah.
But I mean, no me the pan.
Yes, so you walk with Skepta.
Someone can do ice cream and the
One in your mouth, one in your hand.
How much want ice cream?
100.
What the money?
Sir?
I hope the ice cream tastes nice, you know.
But are you just tasty?
I don't know if it tastes good.
Me backside, boy, you're sweet like a sugar.
You're more sweetie.
I don't know the half. Mrs. Payado.
Oh.
Mrs.
Who are your missus? No, missus no live here, Sophia.
That's nice, man. How are you?
Who are your missus?
One girl up there, I'm my wife.
Who are your wife?
Payado. He pretty like a Jesus shirt. Love him like a cook food.
Buy two, look. I can't buy two.
What? Nothing.
Can I say, I have to look change here and come back?
How far you go?
I'm wet, man, out of town.
Can't me change nothing.
I 800 if you get them. And you're not happy with it. Looking at me here then. Scatter this.
Can't me change, Skepta.
God, man. And take one picture of him and go show him no one.
Go show who?
Me missus up here.
No missus no there for you, me say.
What did that?
No, who are your missus?
One little missus and we got up here.
You don't have no missus up there.
It's got ice cream.
Let me show you your teeth and this is not ice cream. so.
And her lipstick.
And it tastes nice enough. That by one out of the.
You like banana? I don't like banana. I can taste the banana. Oh.
Ice cream was so nicer.
Why do you keep saying that? No.
It's true. Nice also.
No, I like the ice cream out here.
Not the soft one. What is this?
A piece of cone.
No, I'm not finish it. A raisin.
It's raisin and banana.
Chocolate.
Raisin, banana, and chocolate. Oh gosh. I don't like ice cream like that.
Scatter, what play at 3 o'clock?
Number 1, me catch you for your bill.
Duppy play me once, you play.
You know me? I Duppy play one
How you play?
Number 1, Duppy. You want to take one picture for me?
You know, I broke the camera.
I want a nice one. Let me see. 4,
I be $100?
5, yes man. 6, 7, 8. There's some picture for me.
Give me my money, your favorite. Goodbye.
Alright, my queen, why not? You don't do my family for me, yeah?
So that cut this and see how much. Cut the money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much are you supposed to get? Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Yo, why do you keep... Oh. Let me tell you guys what's going on. We're hanging out. What are you doing? And your wig is right next to you. How many inches is this? 40? Sing them, my girl. Alright, let me tell you, I'm gonna give you some money. Leash.
Take money, catch people do what?
Love it.
That be $1.
It adds up.
So, send me a snap video and sing for you.